Translighters Super is a biocompensator of influences of pathogenic factors on people. Step into a new dimension of vitality with superstructure, the revolutionary biocompensator that neutralizes pathogenic influences and restores your inner integrity. It's not just wellness, it's energetic evolution. What Super does for you: boosts your energy and adaptive capacity, eliminates internal conflict and strain, restores informational harmony within your system, enhances overall health and life quality, frees your body from reacting to unnecessary stimuli, redirecting energy toward healing. Become one of the lucid. Super amplifies your luminosity, your energetic presence. People with high luminosity are magnetic, radiant, and deeply comfortable to be around. This isn't metaphor, it's measurable transformation. Feel the light within you grow stronger. Be seen, felt, and remembered. Connect with ease and authenticity. Whole system wellness. Super works across your entire vital system, harmonizing body, mind, and energy. It's not just a product, it's a shift in how you live, feel, and relate to the world. Translighter Super. Be luminous, be whole, be super.